Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essentials so nothing blocks the process. Open Settings and verify your Windows 11 build and updates. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, enable Developer Mode if you plan to install WSL or use advanced shells. Make sure you choose which terminal you want: Windows Terminal for tabs, PowerShell for admin scripts, Command Prompt for legacy tasks, or WSL for Linux tools. This initial choice shapes the next steps and makes installation and configuration faster and simpler. Next, you install and configure the terminal environment to match your workflow. If you want tabs and modern features, get Windows Terminal from the Microsoft Store and pin it to start. For Linux compatibility, open an elevated PowerShell and run WSL install, then choose a distro that installs WSL and a Linux shell. Once installed, open Terminal Settings to set your default profile, adjust fonts, enable GPU accelerated rendering if available, and create shortcuts. This saves time every session. Finally, launch and verify everything works. Press Win+X or Open Start and run the terminal you installed. Test basic commands like dir in Command Prompt, pwsh in PowerShell, or ls in WSL. If you need elevated access, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. This resolves permission errors. If something breaks, make sure related services are running, reinstall the Windows Terminal from the store, or run WSL Update and WSL Shutdown to refresh WSL. This short trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.